Hello and welcome. Welcome to our presentation today on building organisational capabilities for managing climate risk. This presentation is delivered by myself, Amy Lomax. I'm the Program Manager for the Climate Ready Initiative, and by Cheryl Bryce, Project Manager for the Climate Ready Initiative at Griffith University. We're a practice arm of the Climate Action Beacon. Griffith University acknowledges the people who are the traditional custodians of the land. We pay respect to our elders, past and present, and extend that respect to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. Today, we'll be taking you through a few slides. The first few slides will be an overview of the Climate Ready Initiative, and then we'll look at building government capability through the Queensland Climate Ready Program and how CRI can help your organisation. The Climate Ready Initiative is the practice pillar of Griffith's Climate Action Beacon. We're housed in the Griffith Business School. We work across governments, economy and business, industry and communities to build partnerships, capability and scalable approaches to advance climate action in society. Our focus is primarily climate-based, projects and engagement that influence policy, build capability, accelerate decarbonisation, and manage climate risk to improve resilience. Our principles are that we're very multidisciplinary and we're informed by science and research. So we bring in diverse stakeholders from across the university and external to support our projects and deliver better outcomes that are focused on public good and that are strategic, coordinated, effective, and socially just. Our approach is diverse. We're really strong on knowledge sharing and informing. So we're working with partners to better understand, accept and develop the case for taking action on climate change. There's a huge capability uplift that's needed across the nation. And a lot of that comes down to even the basics of understanding climate science. Working with our partners, we prefer to work in a co-design approach to scope and design participatory climate actions that have the best chance of success. And through collective action, we like to support partners to collaborate in the implementation oversight of these collective climate actions. We provide strategic guidance, trusted advice from ourselves and our multidisciplinary experts across the university to respond to climate action as a strategic issue. And we support partners in how to identify and access the opportunities needed to upscale their climate action ambitions within their business and communities. And we work with partners to evolve our knowledge on effective climate risk within practice. The best approach is through action learning for this. Next slide, please. This is our team. We're a small but impactful team. Myself and Cheryl, you can see there. We have a CRI advisory board that I'll show you in a moment that provides strategic advice to us throughout the year on our program. And then we're a practice pillar of the Climate Action Beacon, really focused on industry and external engagement. The director of the Climate Action Beacon is Brendan Mackey. We also have an alliance of peak bodies. We've got 13 peak body alliance as part of a flagship project called Climate Ready Australia 2030. And we also can access a whole range of associates with expertise in a variety of climate related areas to provide more robustness to our projects and support with engagement to provide greater benefit to businesses and the community. This is our CRI advisory board. As you can see there, I won't go through all of the individual names, but they're very high profile, eminent leaders that are really focused on impactful societal change that's needed and really supporting that capability uplift across Australia. As I stated, CRI have a flagship project called Climate Ready Australia 2030. This is the backbone of this project is an alliance of peak bodies, where together with the peak bodies, we've identified priorities in sectors and members and a co-designed shared agenda for climate action. So with this shared agenda, there's a range of focus areas within that. And the idea is that we collectively work to implement these actions to really create a step change and uplift that national capability to drive more coordinated climate action. So presently we're transforming the shared agenda into tangible opportunities for strategic, coordinated, effective and just climate action. This is our alliance of peak bodies. As you can see, there's a range that are quite large in numbers, and there's ones that are a little bit smaller, but there's such a great diversity of them. And that's exactly what we need to see when we are working with climate-related issues and projects. It is such a diverse space where climate affects everything, and it's great to have this diversity in our alliance of peaks. Our Climate Ready Australia 2030 shared agenda is focused on four pillars: enabling policy, capacity building, accelerating decarbonisation, and adaptive resilience. Within these pillars, there is a range of different focus areas we'll now show you in our slides. And all the work that we do within CRI aligns to the shared agenda. The shared agenda also provides opportunities for businesses and the Alliance, as well as Griffith experts to showcase research aligned to the shared agenda. So as a matter of getting it out there and providing that feedback loop in, and there's potential opportunities within the space for business to business projects and opportunities and in-kind